Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a quick technician overview of the TASKI Swingo XP Auto Scrubber. The Swingo XP is a stand-on riding scrubber with a 30-inch cleaning path. It uses two 15-inch oscillating trapezoid-shaped pad drivers and a W-shaped squeegee assembly. The XP is a 24-volt system with four 6-volt 224 amp-hour batteries and uses an off-board charging system. The serial number can be found on the back of the machine to the left of the control board. The USB communications cable for the TASKI service tool can be accessed inside the battery chamber. Let's take a look at the controls. First, let's check the e-stop to make sure it's not engaged. Now to turn the machine on, turn the key to the start position. To the left of the key switch are the LCD display, the battery charge level, the full tank indicator, the brush on-off and plus or minus buttons, the vac motor on-off, the solution on-off and plus or minus buttons, the spot cleaning button which turns your solution and brush pressure up for a short period of time, the service light which comes on after 650 hours of use and can be turned off using the service mode or the service tool, and the charger status lights while the machine is charging. Along the bottom is the turtle button which cuts the max velocity in half. Then we have your start-stop button, which recalls the default settings. The eco button, which makes your vac motor run more quietly and also cuts the RPMs of the vac motor. From here we move on to the drive system. To drive the XP, first stand on the platform to engage the platform switch. Forward, reverse, and steering are controlled by the handlebar and paddles. A hall sensor detects the position of the handlebars and paddles and sends a signal down to the electronics board. The drive wheels are attached to individual gearboxes and motors that turn each drive wheel independently to propel and steer the scrubber. Now many drive issues can be solved by connecting the service tool or going into the service mode and retraining the steering. Onward to the solution brush system. The Swingo XP uses a bladder bag solution system. This means that the solution and recovery water share the same tank, but are separated by this bag. Clean water and chemicals are poured into the bladder bag. As the line is primed, clean water is sucked up through the solution filter and down to the magnetic valve. Then from the magnetic valve, the solution line splits down to two pumps, push the water down to the two brushes. Each pad driver is controlled by its own motor, which turns the belt that spins the gear and oscillates the pad drivers. To insert the pad driver, pull the tab to unlock and slide your pad driver in. To remove, pull the tab and slide your pad driver out. Last but not least, we move over to the recovery system. The recovery system starts at the vac motor, which is mounted under the recovery tank lid. The vac motor creates suction that pulls the dirty water up through the squeegee assembly and through the hoses into the debris filter. The debris filter catches any large items before they fall into the tank. As the machine runs, the recovery water will displace and the solution bladder bag will shrink. As the recovery water rises to the top level water sensor, this completes a circuit and shuts off the vac motor. Drain the tank by opening up the drain hose in front of the machine. You can find a ton of support material for TASKI equipment and all other floor cleaning equipment by going to usaclean.com and logging into USA Fix. For immediate assistance with any type of floor cleaning equipment, always call 1-800-USA-CLEAN or go to usaclean.com. We're always here to help. From all of us here at USA Clean, thanks for watching.